going on, guys? It is MC Leo here, or just MC Leo Galena. Today, I'm showing you guys how to wheelie a beginner's guide. I just started learning how to wheelie a few weeks ago. I got this bike, say a month ago. I've been learning with my friends, doing a lot of ride outs, and might as well show you guys how to wheelie. So, alright, so, main thing to do first before you even get on the bike is make sure everything's right. So make sure your brakes, make sure they work, and make sure your seat is where you like it. If you're too tall, like for me, I'm 6 foot or 5'11", and I like mine to be about probably like right here. This bike's 29-inch, so it's perfect for me. Like I said, I have this grip thing on here to make it so when I'm wheeling, I can just tap it and go right away. So first thing when you get on the bike is whatever foot you use or leg, you want that to be your dominant. Here would be your left, and right here would be your right. For me, I use my right foot, and it's got to be 12 o'clock. So when you get on the bike, right here, I go. I probably say 3 or 2 pedals in, and then you could pop it up. 1, 2, and then pop it up. Pop it up. Pop it up. This is what happens when you don't use your brake. You either go like that. But what helps for me is that I'm pretty tall, so when you do that, you always want to hit your brakes. So when you get up there, if you cannot pick it up, you're too scared to fall back. Another thing that helps me is when I get it up there. As soon as I pick it up, I just hit the brake. That's the best thing to do, is just pick it up, hit the brake. Fuck! Fuck!
Yeah, you put all the things in loop.
Hey, hey. Another tip, go over the handlebars. I see lots of people, including the person behind the screen, do just this. And that's not gonna work. You don't need to be the strongest person. You could be the smallest person. Doesn't matter if you're the tallest, shortest, biggest. It all matters on technique. So those 2 pedals over the handlebars. Make sure your finger or 2 fingers, whatever feels comfortable for you. I had to go 1. Over the handlebars, foot dominant. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.